What's up, everybody? And we're starting off with an old empty dumpster. Oh, there's a big dead rat in the bottom of it. It's kind of interesting. You guys want to go and see what we can find today? Hopefully the other dumpsters are better than that one. Usually that one, there's something in it. But let's see what all we can find today. It's a nice cold day. Scrap and pallet man hoodie weather outside. So let's see what we can find. It's a pretty day nonetheless though. I see a cord hanging out of this one. What do we got? Is it attached to anything? Oh, vacuum. Steamer or something. Yeah, we'll take that. Alright, let's start somewhere. This is where we're starting. Oh, I took my clippers out of here again. Oh well, we got these. We're halfway working. A couple of small buckets, nothing exciting. We'll have to definitely keep that big bucket clean or empty, not clean, for oil filters. I can't tell if these are aluminum or not. No, they're not. Nothing much, but we'll take what we can get today. There's those TVs are still all there. I ain't gonna sit here and take them apart though. No, guys. I haven't found nothing in that dumpster in a while anyway, so we'll grab her canned. Got some stuff in here and there's somebody coming, so I'm gonna hurry up and grab it. Oh, they're turning around. I said, oh, I'm gonna get it before they run me off. There's an office chair in here too we're gonna get. I'm fighting this thing a lot. We have to go up and over with this one. Oh, we got her. We got her. What's wrong with this thing? That's a pretty nice office chair, to tell you the truth. See if there's anything else in here. No, okay. On we go. Door squeaking. I'm sorry about that, guys. That cold weather's got it squeaking. I got some bed frames here on a box. I'll just stand them up shortly. I am probably just weak today. You could take the box. I could, but not going to. Quick, ain't it, guys? Used to be halfway clean up around here all the time. A little bit of Christmas lights. Oh, grab them up. Hey, look, we'll even take this, do our part, clean up, and grab a soup can. Got some more golf balls to add to my golf ball collection. That's kind of cool. And a football. Alright, cool. There's some money there, though. Over here. There was a beanie in there with the tag still on it. Maybe I should have grabbed that, but seeing something. What is it? Deep fryer or something? Might be stainless on the inside or something. There's a curtain rod too, we'll grab it. I don't want the curtain. Shower curtain. And then somebody said on my last video that I knocked. I did. Thank y'all. Do not want to leave a mess off that last video. Cool. Thank y'all for noticing. Oh man, some guitars. Guitars. Oh man, I don't know about them. This one I can take, it's cool. That is cool, man. The rest of them, I don't know. First act, what's it? Just some kids stuff. I'll leave them for somebody else. Alright, well, that's all I see. Very cool though, it was a cool, like a metal guitar. sun's getting me. Alright, now they'll take it. At least my scrapyard will. Might have to get some of that. Yeah, it's fine. They'll take that. Can that be scrapped? It's got motors in it, don't it? Yeah, that's what I say. The truck's talking to us, isn't it? Sharper image, it says. More of that aluminum in the same dumpster. Little chunks here and there. I'll grab some of it, but I ain't gonna grab all of it. Can't stick around here too long. Kind of blocking the way. Let's see if I can grab the box out of there or something. A lot of trash to grab with it. I think it's, well, I don't want that one. I think it's mainly aluminum little bits. I was gonna, I'll try to keep it together here. Something. Oh, I know. Maybe this one will do it. Shh. Get the box out there. Lasts a little long. At least keep it together a little bit. I don't know if that did anything or not, but might help us out. No. Spray nozzle. Might be a little shred down there. Yeah, there is. We'll grab it since we're already out looking in a bag to shred or aluminum on. What is the verdict? Shred. Alright, I seen something else, didn't I? Oh, it's a deal of paint. Can't take that. Alright. Non-usable lumber. I need that, kinda. Actually, I do need that. Yeah, that's gonna work perfect for what I need. Heck yeah. I found a portable, or you know, like one of those back cargo carrier things, and it was missing pieces. It was in the a dumpster. I didn't film it. I was just running around and looked in there, and it was missing the back piece. Put it all together. It was new. I thought it was new in the box. It said on the part missing pieces, but it was just the back part. So I think if I put that piece of wood back there somehow, it'll work perfect. Got us another TV. Well, I guess we'll get it out too. Maybe we'll look at it. Big in it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. I ain't gonna fight with that one, guys. If it was the... I ain't fighting with it. I got to bust the screen off and no. Oh, we gotta find something. Put on that door. On we go. Got us a busted fold-em up chair. The show's complete. Fold-em up Joe made an appearance. Well, we got a little tote in here, and I want to see what's in it, so I figured I'd bring y'all along. Alright, y'all died on me. It's cold weather. Draining that battery quick. There was nothing in that case. It was some what is it, Connect sand for kids, sand, and some busted up toys and trash. Nothing cool. Probably could have kept the tote, but I had a lot of sand in it, so on we go. Got to be quick. We just want the cord off this bad boy. That's all I want anyway. I won't literally... Well, let me throw vacuum cleaners out, but that shampooer, I don't know. On we go. I see a free sign. Works only with remote. It's... What does it say? Works only with remote. It's taped on top. I don't know. I'll let somebody... I don't know if it'll survive the trip or not. You know, it's a 42-inch too. I would bust it. Somebody else. Old Bill beat me to this washer here, or dryer one. Howdy, Bill. You doing all right? Need some help loading that up?
Yeah, I do. You help me?
Yeah, I'll help you. Yeah, let me pull out of the way here. No, there ain't nothing out. Looks like you found it all.
What?
Looks like you found it all. So it looks like you found it all today. I said you got it all.
I heard that very much.
You just want to put it on tailgate?
Yeah, you should do
Alrighty.
I'm not very much. I used to be cold.
Yeah. I found some bed frames and nothing too much. Busted out TV.
See what?
I didn't find much.
I'm not very much.
Well.
Someone would. Thank you for helping me.
Oh, you betcha. You betcha. Anytime, Bill. Anytime. You have a good one.
Yeah, do the same thing, you must.
Yeah. Now we're gonna get it. We done our good deed for the day. This needs some pipes. Is that like nothing I want? Something off a car. Oh, or something. I don't even know what the heck it is. Anything else in here? Some busted furniture. I smell some peppers. And nothing. I don't know if we did that or not, but well, guys, I don't know. At least we got the Loda washer, I guess. Alright, we are here already at the oil filter dumpster, and we have got nothing to show for our efforts yet. I want to get some of this oil though and put on my hinges before we leave. Or maybe we can find something. We'll take that. Yeah. That's how my day's gonna go. Alright. Let's see if we can find some oil filters today. I found one. Huh? Really? They're gonna bounce out of there on us, aren't they? I ain't gonna get that many. I don't think so today. I need to find an aerosol can of some sorts. I don't think we're gonna get 50 something today, guys. We'll use that other bucket if we have to, I guess. I don't. There's a big one. Bucket's full now. Keep them in the bucket. Alright. I guess I'll sacrifice. Sacrifice this. I'll put all this in here. There we go, and keep going. Because I think we're gonna have to get, one of these days I will learn about bumping my head there. There ain't nothing left. Trying to find. There's more in there, I think. We're just running out of room. Well, that's all I'm gonna get. Put a hurting on them though. Hoping to find a spray can or something in there, like an old brake cleaner or something. That'll help a little bit. I doubt it though. Yeah, that helped a little bit. Here's what we got. On we go. I don't know what this stuff is. This is from like a police station. I don't know what's in these little tubes. I mean a police impound lot. Oh, okay, they're like, yeah, we'll take them. They're like some, oh, like some wires and like for CDs or the radios or something. These are what's in them. Oh, that's a magnet. I wonder what's in the cases, man. That one's empty. I'll take a cord. Let's see what these are in cases. It's a Pelican case. So that's itself is worth some money. Tactical repeater. Let's get to loading this crap up. There's a bigger one. Okay, we'll have to get that one through the loop. battery back up. Take the case. I don't have a lead acid battery in it. Yeah, those Pelican cases aren't cheap. There's some keys that might be to it, I don't know. Alright, baby, come on. Oh man. Oh cool. Hope that works. Oh, some keys to something. Right. I've got a. Oh yeah, you're about broke. Just about. Left some keys and whatever that right there is. Battery or something. Probably really important. Oh well. Let's get out of here. I'll do some repairs on the old stick. Got loose. That may be a decent deal. This right here is pretty cool. A video Walkman. Plays the video high H or whatever from the old camcorders. Oh, look into that. That is cool, man. Thanks, police department. Yeah, that's scrappy metal enough. Anything else in here? Oil jugs. It ain't creaking no more. Too bad. Don't know if we got anything or not. I see some bits. Don't know what we got here. Is that some wires? That's some wires right there. It's just little bits today, guys. That's just how this video is going to be, I guess. Wire. Let's get this. Getting some wire out though. Just not easy as picking. Just gotta throw it in there. That's a... There's nothing out today. So we are picking the bottoms. What is that? padlock. I can take that. This would have been a good one to probably jump in. Been easier, but there's some aluminum. It ain't a bad dumpster, is it? Has that got a motor on it? If it is, it's coming with me. It's kind of heavy. I don't know. I don't even know what that is. Cut its tail off though. Oh, jeez. That's not good. Just wish that wouldn't happen. Alright, guys. I mean, there's still stuff down here, though. That's just nothing real exciting for y'all. You know what I mean? They're grabbing it with this hook, and I know that's not the most exciting either. Never know what I'll pull up out of there though. We're gonna have to get the magnet stick. Some big chunks of steel down there. Like that. There. I see some copper on this thing. Let's take this thing, see what it's all about. Y'all see them copper pieces right there? I'd like to take it. I don't even know what this is to, so I want to take it apart. I'm just for curiosity reasons. Got wire. I've seen some copper coming out of it, and the seatbelt was attached to it. Oh, so we'll look at see what that's all about, just for fun. All right, this was a waste of. Let's go. Wasted our time here too long. Oh, we're back at this place. And I was about to leave. It's like, oh, I don't see nothing. I got another light. And I took apart a couple of these lights And they're copper on the transformer, so. Whew. This one I'm gonna have to work for a little bit. I'll gladly take another one though. Maybe. Golly, what's on? Yeah, there's our gas money. Well, and we're actually not doing bad, I don't think. Y'all see any more? I don't either. Oh. I hate to overlook one. Cause those are like, oh, there's something back there. I got a few pounds of copper in them. Let's get that. And aluminum. And the case is aluminum. This looks like some kind of lot. Don't go into the abyss. Just need a... Yeah, we got that one. That one don't. Let's see what this one has to offer us today. Is that copper? I don't think so. Oh. I think it's gonna be a 0. It's gonna be an entertaining video, guys, let me tell you. Yeah, if they don't poop it out, we can't scoop it up, you know. If they don't poop it, we can't scoop it, as Scrappity says. Yeah, that's empty. Wow! And that's, you know what that is? That's weed eater string. I forgot what anything looked like. Man, this is a big pile. I'll take that. I'll take that. I don't know about scrap metal if there's much to be had, but I forgot what a big pile looked like. There's a lid to something somebody got. There's a scoocher back there. I'll take this a scoocher. It's just kind of sad, isn't it, guys? Well, I know. That's empty. We'll take that. Lots of kids stuff. Glass cleaner, I want that. I'll go. Let's not put that on or anything. Yeah, I want that. Okie dokie. Oh man, where to even start? Oh, I want none of that. Free guinea pig shavings. I will definitely take that. That's a score. It'll save me a little bit of money. That's some headlines. That's nothing. Just some toys. Yeah, it's sad, man. A bunch of toys. Somebody got evicted, didn't they, or moved out. Yeah. It looks better from the road. We got a few things from there. Modelo's beer can. Our all-purpose cleaner, like that. Our free Tide sample. Yeah, just really just kid stuff. So, very much cleaner left. I'm gonna leave it. I'll take this tape though. I want to look in this other one because I know you'll yell at me if I don't. Okay, like groceries and stuff, empty bottles. All right, well, on we go. Go. Might have been something else lurking in there, but all that seems like kid stuff. I'll get us a satellite dish. Oh, that's in the ground there. I thought it was set up for trash. Idiot. Idiot move of the day. I'm surprised that nobody came out and yelled at me. They had the brush on just right by the trash can. I just assumed it was set up for trash. I guess I could have. Oh, it's a failure of a day today. I'm having fun though, either way. On we go. Dang, man, there's people down there in that dumpster. There was people. I'm just too late. There's too many people out scavenging. I pulled up to a dumpster while ago and another group of people pulled up trying to rate. I was like, I'm not even, like, there's nothing that I seen that I wanted, so. There's that big pile of good stuff that people, I don't know. These places get hit all the time. Let's see if we run into them down here. They're digging, throwing bags out and busting them open. I'm too late for anything today. Freaking, I love it though, but I want to make a good daggum video. I ain't come to this one yet, so maybe we'll drop by that one and let y'all see this group of people. It's like right across the street. I didn't get my, which I wouldn't. Nothing. No, that's all right. I hadn't found nothing. Everybody in the world hits these dang dumpsters though. Yeah, they're parked out there. Let's go drive by. I gotta go out this way anyway. I guess they found some stuff in there though. Okay, yeah. Okay, I couldn't find anything. I saw past this food truck. I'm like, it's called the Crack House. So I'm getting some food for me and the wife, and I'm about to call it a day. So I appreciate y'all watching. We might run into something on the way home. We got a little bit to get there, but I checked all that this morning. I mean, on the first leg of the round. It's just one of those days. So can't win them all. But I appreciate y'all watching very much, and I hope this food's good, because I'm hungry. So, but we did find some stuff. We found, you know, we didn't lose no money on gas or anything. So, but had a good time making a video, and there goes those dumpster divers. But alright guys, y'all guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Okay, I also scored this brand new recliner from the in-laws. They're like, do you want this? And yeah, so upgrade. Okay, y'all guys have a good one.
Oh, it's so cute and chubby.